2021 GMC Yukon Denali. What is it? Denali. Look at this thing. It's so beautiful. I love the look of these cars. Just looks like executive, don't it? What do you think? CEO kind of stuff. Right, Juan? Anyways, what we got done on it? Factory converter. No third converter, flex pipe. Then as you guys can see, he usually has a massive muffler that's over there. We took it off and ran a muffler delete, 3-inch pipe all the way. Then, as you guys can see, it winds up there somewhere, becomes duals. You still got the resonators on it there, and then the tips out the back right there. And the resonated tips too. All that to quiet it down as much as possible. So we took just the muffler off for now, see how he likes it. He didn't want too much sound. He just wanted a little bit of a tone. There's the gigantic muffler that was on it that we cut off right there. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, make sure you guys like, comment, and hit that subscribe button. Oh, that's more than enough. Okay. It sounds like a truck, you know? Yeah, it's perfect. And with the resonators being on it, it won't drone inside or nothing. So that's good. And if you want to tame it down later on, we can always add a muffler back in. Oh, that's perfect. Okay. Here's sound decibels. 102. That sounds phenomenal. Yeah, that's perfect. Nothing crazy, just sounds clean. That's a massive vehicle. Still looks awesome though. I like the two-tone on it. It's clean. Here on the inside. GMC Yukon Denali. I love it. Yeah, it's a sexy car, man. They're growing on me. And they sound phenomenal. Sounds phenomenal. Enjoy, guys.